How to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make money on Pinterest using Amazon affiliate. The first thing you will need to do is create your Amazon affiliate account. So all you'll need to do is go onto Google or whichever browser you're using and type in Amazon affiliate program. Once you have done that, you'll be led to these search results, and all you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you're going to tap right where you see Amazon.com Associates Central, and from there you can sign up. If you already have an Amazon account, you can sign up using that account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create a new one. Once you have created your Amazon affiliate account, all you'll need to do now is start promoting. But before you start promoting, let me show you what you can expect. For example, if you plan on promoting physical books, kitchen, and automotive, you'll be getting a 4.5% commission for those sales. If you are promoting digital music and also physical music or handmade or digital videos, you'll get 5%. For luxury beauty and luxury stores, beauty, and Amazon Explore, you'll be getting 10%. You can see the different rates right here, as you can see right here, so you can decide on the products that you'd like to promote. But the thing about Amazon, why it is so popular, their affiliate program, is Amazon is a trusted brand, so even though their commission may be on the low end, once you are promoting an Amazon affiliate link and persons realize that it is Amazon, you'll be able to get the sale, as person will more likely click on that link. And also with Amazon affiliate links, their cookie lasts for 30 days. So even if someone were to tap on your link now and then make a purchase next 2 or 3 weeks, you'll still be able to get a commission. And also, even if you're promoting, for example, a projector, and a person should go onto your link and see the projector, but instead purchase something else, for example, a television or so on, you would still be able to get that commission. So they don't have to purchase the exact product that you're promoting or the link that they have clicked on. They can purchase anything else and you'll be getting a commission. That is the beautiful thing about Amazon affiliate program. Now that you have all signed up and you know what Amazon affiliate is all about, and you probably have an idea of what type of products you want to promote, let me show you an example of someone that is doing this on Pinterest. Doing my research, I came across this profile. As you can see right here, I typed in the best home theater projectors, and this was one of the recommended pins. And you can see that this person is an affiliate, as you can see right here. They make sure to highlight it right here by saying, as an affiliate, I may collect our share of sales and other compensation from the links on this page, as you can see right here. And I also recommend that you add this disclaimer when you are creating your pins to promote Amazon products. So it is very important that you create a disclaimer just like this. And in case you're wondering the amount of traffic they get to their Pinterest account, you can see it right here. They are getting over 354,000 monthly views. And you can see an example of the type of pins that they create right here. Nothing too hard, it's quite easy to create. And also you can see their website right here. And by the way, I'll be showing you later on why it is important to create a website also. They also have a website that persons go on, and they are getting a lot of traffic on their website. In fact, I went onto SimilarWeb and you can see that they are getting over 477,000 traffic, and majority of their traffic is coming from tier 1 countries, as you can see right here. For example, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. So you can only imagine the amount of sales that they are getting off of this one Pinterest account and this website right here. Now to get started, once on Pinterest, they are going to create an account like I did right here. All you have to do now after creating the account, what I would recommend you do is go onto Google Sites, as I do recommend that you create a website. So you are going to go onto Google Sites, which you can host websites for free, and it is quite easy to do. I've done tutorials on how to create affiliate sites using Google Sites, and it is not very hard. And if you want to watch that type of video, you can simply search on my channel, or you can watch another video showing you how to do that. All you'll have to do is tap on create a new site, and from there I recommend that you upload, for example, let's say you're doing the best projectors under $100. All you'll need to do is go onto Amazon, and from there you could type in right here projector. After you have typed in projector, let me do that real quick just for example's sake. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to tap on the search bar, and I'm going to type in projectors. So let me type in projectors real quick. After you have typed in projectors, you are going to tap on enter. And from here you will see a list of various projectors at different prices. But let's say I'm doing one for the best at $100. All I'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and I'm going to tap on 4 and up. So it'll be 4 stars and up. Then I'm going to scroll down, and right where you see minimum, then you'll see max. From here you could type in the amount that you would like to max out, or you can select right here $50 to $100. After doing that, Amazon will now present you with the top projectors under $100 or the price range that you have chosen, as you can see right here. So let's say you want to create a list of the 5 best projectors under $100. All you'll have to do is arrange these projectors, the 5 best projectors, and you'll simply tap on them, and you'll select 5, and you are going to read all the information you can about each projector, and you are going to simply create an article on it. Or you could use ChatGPT to create an article on the top 5 projectors under $100, or you can read this information right here. Now to create the pin to post on Pinterest. All you'll need to do once on Amazon, you can simply tap on the image. You can simply tap on the image right here. Once the image loads up, as you can see right here, and by the way, you can use these images on your website as far as I know. You'll simply right click, then you'll tap on save image. Once you have saved the image, you could go into Canva, and once on Canva, all you'll need to do is go onto the home page. Let me go onto Canva home page, and from there you can quickly create a pin. You can create numerous pins using Canva for completely free. Just like what this person has done, as you can see right here, you can take this page as an example and use it as a motivation also to create pins that are similar to this. And you can also see that this person does not post the Amazon affiliate link directly. Instead, they redirect you to their website, which is very smart, as not only do you redirect them to your website and have the potential to make money, more money better yet, as once they're on your website, they'll be able to see ads, as you can see right here. So even if the person does not make a purchase, by them simply visiting your website, you're still able to make a bit of money by showing ads, display ads, as you can see right here. And to show that this person is promoting Amazon affiliate products, if I were to tap on recommended products right here and scroll down, you can see best projectors, and if I were to tap on that, you can see on this page right here by scrolling down, you can see view on Amazon. And if I were to tap on this, that will open their affiliate link, and from there, if I were to purchase anything on Amazon, this person would be able to make a commission. And again, all you'll need to do is go back onto Canva. Once on Canva, from there, you could select social media. After selecting social media, you could scroll across and you could select Pinterest, or you can simply type in Pinterest right here. And then from here, you can create your Pinterest cover, so your Pinterest page doesn't look plain like mine. So you could create your Pinterest cover. You could put your Google site link right here. And after you have done that, you're going to see right where you see create at the top left hand corner. You're going to tap on that. After tapping on create, you are going to tap on create pin. Once you have tapped on create pin, you will be redirected to this page, and you are going to add the pin that you have made on Canva. Again, let me go onto Canva right here, tap on Pinterest, then I'll tap on pin. After you have tapped on pin, you will see numerous templates that you can choose from, but we are going to select blank template right here, as we are going to be using an example just like what this person is using right here. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a pin just like this gentleman, so our lady. All we are going to do now, I'm going to go back into Amazon, and I'm going to save this image. So I'm going to right click to save the image, then tap on save. And once the image has saved, I'm going to be showing you how to make a pin. So the saved, I'm going to go back into Canva. And once in Canva, all I'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and I'm going to tap on uploads. Then from there, I'm going to simply drag and paste the image that I got from Amazon. So you can see it right here. After I've dragged and placed the image, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add it to the blank canvas right here. But before doing that, what I want you to do, right where you see elements, you're going to tap right there. And after selecting elements, what I want you to do, you're going to tap on the search bar, and you're going to type in grid, and you're going to tap on enter. After typing in grid and tap on enter, you will see numerous grid options. And what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on see all. After tapping on see all, you can scroll down and you will see various different grids or frames that you can use, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, I want to use a grid for the entire page right here, or just a portion of the page. I can do that. So I'll simply pull it down right here, as I'm going to be adding text to the top of the page. Then I'm going to go back to uploads, and I'm going to add the projector right there. Then I'm going to double click, as I want to show a certain part of the photo. So I'm going to double click, then I'm going to simply pull it that this section is showing. After I've done that, I'm going to add the text just like what this person has done on Pinterest. Then I'm going to tap on the text box, and we are going to add it at the top right here, as you can see right there. And let me see the type of information that they'll normally add, why you need to purchase a high quality. So I'm going to go back right there, and I'm going to type in best projectors under $100, as you can see right there, and I'll simply drag. Then I'm going to change the background color. So I'm going to make the background color a bit more. I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to make it pop a bit more. So instead of using red like that person, I'll be using light blue, as you can see right here. Then from here, I'll simply adjust the text, and then you can change the font of the text to your liking. So if you would like to use another font style, all you have to do is scroll down and select another font style, as you can see right there. And you can also change the size of the font if you want by tapping right where you see 72 on my screen. And you can also change the color of the font. Once you have done all of that and it is to your liking, you are going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to scroll down and you are going to tap on download, and we'll tap on download right here to download our pin. Once our pin has been downloaded, we are going to go back onto Pinterest, and remember I told you to tap on create. So now I'm going to be showing you how to add a pin, or how to upload your pin onto Pinterest. Once on this page, as you can see right here, let me quickly refresh the page. You can see right here, drag and drop. So I'm going to add my pin right there. As you can see right there, that is how it looks at the moment. Once you have added your pin, you could add your title right here. So I could add the title, best projectors under $100. So let me do that real quick. can see right there. Then from here, you're going to add the same information or the same disclaimer that that person had added. And also the thing that I like about Pinterest is a lot of their recommendation is search based. So by you adding this title and probably adding, let me see, 2023, you will more than likely be getting recommended. And all you'll need to do now, you're going to add a destination link right here. You have a few options. You can either follow my idea or my recommendation and add your website link, or you could go back onto Amazon and you could try your luck, and from there you could simply add your affiliate link directly. All you'll need to do to get your affiliate link, for example for this projector right here or any product, is go to the top left hand corner, tap right where you see text, then you are going to copy and paste the link. So you would copy this link right here, then you are going to go back into Pinterest and you're going to paste the link right here, then you'll tap on push immediately, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.